I can't wait to hear this LS roar. Woohoo! This baby started right up. Oh, right, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, that exhaust is blowing right through that Magnaflow. Woohoo! Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you're watching No Reserve Classics. And before we get started, guys, press that subscribe button and ring that bell, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video. Newly arrived and fresh off the trailer is this 1964 Chevrolet Corvette C2 LS Wide Body Pro Touring Restomod Coupe. Painted in a deep, beautiful Tuxedo Black, this Corvette's curves are shown by its conservative wide body. The full exterior has got an extensive paint correction along with a protection ceramic coating that has been applied. It also has electronic flip-up lights, a 427 Big Block Stingray hood, Schott 19-inch custom billet staggered wheels with Redline tires, and a custom C5 dual center exhaust. Under the hood is a full aluminum LS crate engine with Z06 headers and an oversized Be Cool Aluminum Radiator, a modern braking system, and even vintage air conditioning. Stepping inside, a fully restored interior with custom-made C2 Corvette C6 inspired seats, autometer phantom gauges, a factory-style center console with a T56 6-speed shifter, a custom radio with Bluetooth navigation, backup camera, and even a magnetic cell phone mount. And last but not least, the solid and stout underbody has a full Paul Newman chassis, adjustable composite transverse front and rear springs, Bilstein Shock Absorbers, a 5-link rear with forged aluminum trailing arms, Kinney's custom Mandrel bent exhaust system, and full disc brakes on all 4 corners. One Corvette that not only has the show, but the go to go along with those stunning looks. Now I know you can't be with me here today on this beautiful turntable, but if you visit us directly at No Reserve Classics, you'll be able to take this Corvette as well as all of our other rides for a virtual 360-degree tour. That's right, with a simple swipe of a finger, you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior. After you're done with that, click on the top left-hand corner and you'll be able to view a virtual 360-degree interior tour as well. And remember guys, we here at No Reserve Classics know about all of our cars because we own all of our cars. So with that being said, this vehicle is not a consignment vehicle and is owned by us over here at No Reserve Classics. So whether you guys are looking to purchase this car outright or even jump in and grab all the upgrades, we do have full financing available through Woodside Credit. We've been using them for years and man, they are the best. So if you're looking on a little bit more information about financing or how to get this Corvette into your garage, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll be sure to guide you through the full process. All right, guys, and now it's time to talk about a few options we have for this Corvette. Starting off right in the front end of this Corvette, we have the electronic flip-up headlights on here. Now, while they do really look really nice, these babies still have those halogen lights on there. This is a pro touring car. We want you to be driving this car not only during the day, but during the nighttime as well. So with that comes safety and visibility, besides the awesome looks of those awesome Restomod LED split headlights. The LEDs behind there will illuminate the road ahead, but also give you a really cool looking front end of this Corvette. Man, it is so cool on how that chassis looks up underneath this Corvette. And one of the most forgotten parts about any car in general is how the underside of the vehicles look. With that being said, we have an upgrade available, our underbody renovation, where we're gonna take this Corvette, put it up on the lift and give it a hot steam bath and get a really good glimpse of what's going on under there and how we can transform this car to make the underside look just as good as how the top looks. And if you guys are like me and love to pop your hood at every chance you get, these are two options I highly suggest. Up top, we have our two-piece billet valve covers. They come in an option of the satin black or the full polished. And to go along with that is the full CVF Raptor Serpentine kit. And that also comes in either the satin black or the full polished design. Either way you go, it's definitely gonna transform how this engine bay looks. Oh, sorry guys, I was just admiring and checking out how cool this car is. It even has a cup holder in the center. So if you guys are like me and you like everything to look the same, you have a black awesome steering wheel on here, but we also have a choice for you guys to choose at no additional cost, an awesome wood grain steering wheel that we could put in place of this awesome black one. And no matter what vehicle you guys are looking at from here at No Reserve Classics, all of our vehicles go through a rigorous 40-point mechanical inspection, making and ensuring that anything we've replaced or corrected is working and functioning 100%. Then it's off to my favorite part, the 30-mile-plus test drive. I'm gonna be taking this baby down some back roads, hitting those brakes, going over some bumps, and definitely pressing this gas pedal and showcasing what this car is all about. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.